Unleashing Gaming Excellence ASUS ROG Phone 7 Ultimate Review. Welcome to our comprehensive review of the ASUS ROG Phone 7 Ultimate, the ultimate gaming powerhouse that redefines mobile gaming. In this video, we'll dive deep into its design, display, performance, gaming features, camera capabilities, audio quality, connectivity, pricing, and everything else you need to know to decide if this is the perfect gaming companion for you. Design and build. Let's kick things off with the design and build of the ASUS ROG Phone 7 Ultimate. Crafted with precision, this gaming beast features a robust construction with Gorilla Glass Victus on the front and Gorilla Glass 3 on the back, encased in an aluminum chassis. Weighing 239 grams, it's definitely a hefty device, but that weight is justified by the sheer power it packs. Display. The centerpiece of the ROG Phone 7 Ultimate is its stunning 6.78-inch AMOLED display. With a blazing fast 165Hz refresh rate, HDR10 Plus support, and a resolution of 1080 by 2448 pixels, it delivers an immersive gaming experience like no other. Whether you're engaging in fast-paced action or exploring intricate virtual worlds, the fluid visuals will keep you hooked for hours on end. Performance. Under the hood, the ROG Phone 7 Ultimate is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset, an octa-core processor that combines high-performance Cortex-X3 and Cortex-7 cores. With 16GB of LPDDR5X RAM, this powerhouse ensures smooth multitasking, lightning-fast app launches, and seamless gaming performance. No matter how demanding the game, this phone can handle it with ease. Storage. Storage capacity is crucial for gamers, and the ROG Phone 7 Ultimate doesn't disappoint. With a whopping 512GB of internal storage, you'll have ample space for all your games, media, and files. Plus, with UFS 4.0 technology, you can expect swift read and write speeds, minimizing load times and ensuring a seamless gaming experience. Battery life. Gaming on the go requires a reliable battery, and the ROG Phone 7 Ultimate delivers just that. With its massive 6,000 mAh battery, you can game for hours on end without worrying about running out of juice. And when it's time to recharge, the 65W wired charging gets you from 0% to 100% in just 42 minutes, so you can get back to gaming in no time. Gaming features. Now let's talk about the gaming features that set the ROG Phone 7 Ultimate apart from the competition. First up, we have the built-in motorized cooling air vent, also known as the AeroActive portal. This innovative feature keeps the phone cool during intense gaming sessions, ensuring optimal performance at all times. Next, we have the pressure-sensitive gaming triggers, which give you a competitive edge in your favorite games. These customizable triggers can be mapped to specific actions, allowing for precise control and enhanced gameplay. The LED panel on the back adds a touch of flair to your gaming experience, allowing you to customize it with notifications, animations, or even your favorite game logo. And with a wide range of accessories available, including clip-on controllers and external cooling fans, you can truly transform your ROG Phone 7 Ultimate into a portable gaming console. Camera. While gaming is the primary focus of the ROG Phone 7 Ultimate, it also boasts an impressive camera setup. With a triple camera configuration featuring a 50MP main lens, a 13MP ultra-wide lens, and a 5MP macro lens, you can capture stunning photos and videos in stunning detail. Whether you're documenting your gaming achievements or capturing everyday moments, this phone has you covered. Audio. Immersive audio is essential for a truly immersive gaming experience, and the ROG Phone 7 Ultimate delivers on that front. With stereo speakers featuring dual amplifiers, you'll be fully immersed in the action, whether you're gaming or streaming your favorite content. And with 32-bit/384 kHz high-res audio support, you can enjoy crystal clear music and game audio like never before. Connectivity. Connectivity options are plentiful on the ROG Phone 7 Ultimate, ensuring that you stay connected wherever you go. With Wi-Fi 6E, Bluetooth 5.3, NFC, and USB Type-C support, you can enjoy fast and reliable connections for gaming, streaming, and more. Plus, with support for multiple satellite navigation systems, this phone is perfect for location-based games and navigation apps. Pricing. Finally, let's talk about the pricing of the ASUS ROG Phone 7 Ultimate. Priced at $1,399, this premium gaming smartphone reflects its top-tier specifications and gaming-focused features. While it may be on the higher end of the price spectrum, the unparalleled gaming experience it offers makes it well worth the investment for serious gamers. Conclusion. In conclusion, the ASUS ROG Phone 7 Ultimate is more than just a smartphone. It's a gaming companion that elevates your mobile gaming experience to new heights. With its top-of-the-line performance, stunning display, innovative gaming features, impressive camera capabilities, immersive audio, and robust connectivity options, it's the perfect choice for gamers who demand nothing but the best. If you're serious about mobile gaming, the ROG Phone 7 Ultimate is the ultimate choice.